Oh, it's sunny. God damn it. This is what I have. This is what the wife's car is like. So the mirror here in the wife's car is basically just staring at me all the time because the cover on it broke off, and for some reason in this car the cover you cannot replace. You have to replace the entire visor. So it's so stupid. To fix a 30-cent piece of plastic, we got to replace the entire visor so that when you put the window down, you don't have to stare at your face every single time. So stupid. It's actually an easy fix here on the Chevy Sonic. It's just 2 screws right here, and then the whole thing comes out. They are Torx bits though, so it's not like a Phillips head. So that's the only thing you really have to worry about, is make sure you have Torx bits. New one just snaps in. There you go. Installed and done. Actually, just a really simple fix. Just a pain in the ass. And when I was trying to figure out that cover, the plastic cover for it, and couldn't find one, I figured why not just show you guys what we ended up doing. And the visor was dirt cheap here for the Chevy Sonic. That's it. Thanks a lot for hanging out. And finally, he sleeps. As long as you guys keep showing up, I'll keep making videos. Appreciate you guys supporting the channel. Thanks for watching the video. If you're looking for more car related content, make sure you subscribe here on the GearHeads channel. If you're looking for video game stuff, we've divided YouTube up into 4 different channels. Over there you'll see the link for FC Mobile, Raid Shadow Legends, and then GearHeads for a few laughs, basically where we make fun of the alpha male.